Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the truth behind the beauty products you're curious about. Today, we're talking about a luxurious skincare gem, the Dr. Alkaitis Organic Cellular Repair Mask. If you've been on the hunt for a product that promises to nourish and rejuvenate your skin, this might be your next favorite addition. But does it really deliver? Let's find out together. The Dr. Alkaitis Organic Cellular Repair Mask is an organic, luxury beauty product designed to replenish and rejuvenate the skin. It comes in a sleek 1.28 ounce jar, packed with a formula made from 100% natural and organic ingredients. The mask claims to repair damaged skin cells, restore moisture, and promote a more youthful appearance. It's designed for anyone looking to reverse signs of aging or environmental stress, with a focus on cellular regeneration. When you first open the jar, you're greeted with a rich, creamy texture that has a pleasant herbal scent. Applying it to the skin feels incredibly soothing, and it glides on smoothly without any heavy or greasy residue. The mask is meant to be left on for 10 to 15 minutes, and during that time, it creates a gentle, cooling effect on the skin. I found that it doesn't dry out or feel tight, which is a great sign that it's nourishing the skin rather than stripping it of moisture. In terms of performance, I tested it both in the morning and evening as part of my skincare routine. I applied it after cleansing and before any serums or moisturizers, following the instructions. The first time I used it, I noticed an instant smoothness and brightness to my skin, which continued to improve with each use. My skin felt softer, more hydrated, and there was a noticeable reduction in redness after several applications. One of the strengths of this mask is its ability to deeply hydrate without being too heavy or greasy. It's perfect for those with dry or dehydrated skin, and I could see it being ideal for people dealing with stress-related skin issues or dullness. The all-natural ingredients, including aloe vera, calendula, and avocado oil, are perfect for calming the skin while delivering the nourishment it needs to look its best. But it's not all perfect. If you have sensitive skin, the herbal scent might be a bit too strong for you. Although the scent is natural, it could be overwhelming if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. Additionally, the price point is definitely on the higher end, which may deter some consumers. While the mask delivers impressive results, it's important to consider if the benefits justify the luxury price tag for your skincare budget. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now let's talk about value for money. The Dr. Alkaitis Organic Cellular Repair Mask is not the cheapest mask out there, but considering the high-quality organic ingredients and the luxurious feel, it may be worth the investment for those who are dedicated to top-tier skincare. If you're looking for similar masks, there are more affordable options that can offer hydration and repair, though you might not get the same level of luxurious feel or organic purity that Dr. Alkaitis provides. I also appreciate that Dr. Alkaitis doesn't make empty promises. This mask lives up to its claims, but it does take consistent use to see the full benefits. It's definitely not a quick fix, but it's well suited for someone looking for a long-term skincare solution. In terms of customer service, Dr. Alkaitis has a reputation for excellent support. I didn't personally need to contact them, but from what I've gathered, they are responsive and committed to ensuring customer satisfaction. So, is it worth the splurge? If you're someone who prioritizes organic and luxury beauty products, or if you're looking for a mask that deeply hydrates and helps to repair the skin, the Dr. Alkaitis Organic Cellular Repair Mask could be a great choice. However, it's not a necessity for everyone, especially if you're on a tighter budget or prefer a quicker skincare fix. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. And as always, the link to purchase it can be found in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.